Car repairs are expensive, and when you buy a car, two things happen. The risk of a major repair increases roughly at the same time your vehicle warranty coverage expires, which could leave you paying for expensive repairs out of pocket. No big deal? Let's look at some numbers. Data shows that the average repair claim in 2016 was more than $1,000. Here's a list of many common repairs and their costs. The fact is, you could easily be out hundreds, if not thousands of dollars. Fortunately, there's a great option called mechanical repair coverage that can help minimize those big repair bills. You just choose a plan. All plans include valuable additional benefits like 24/7 roadside assistance, rental reimbursement, and travel reimbursement. You can choose any repair shop you like, and the coverage is usually transferable if you sell your vehicle. Bottom line, with mechanical repair coverage, you'll reduce the cost of expensive covered car repairs and gain an added selling point if you sell your vehicle. Now, you may be offered other repair coverage plans elsewhere, but as a credit union member, you get special access to great low rates for top quality mechanical repair coverage just for being a member. Mechanical repair coverage through your credit union. Find out if it's right for you today.